Okay, this is actually a fun project. I've been browsing the Facebook feed and found some people were looking to hide the care react that is added by Facebook recently. That seemed a little interesting, so I started taking up and finally made a solution for this. The solution is actually a very simple thing. It uses just a simple CSS that can be found on this file. This is the CSS code that does the trick. It hides the care react icon on your Facebook when you browse it from the Chrome browser. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to get this extension and install on your Chrome browser manually, as I'm not going to put it on the Chrome Web Store. This is a very simple one, and the main reason actually I could not create a Chrome Web Store developer account. I was trying to create the account, but it required a $5 payment. I tried adding my card, but the problem is there is my country is not listed there. Bangladesh is not listed, and I actually saw very few countries listed there. So I don't know why Google restricted this. So okay, as it is a simple one, I'm not going to uh, get into hassle for the Chrome Web Store developer account. Okay, so let's see how you can install this manually on your Chrome browser. So here is the repository. You can just download it here. Okay, you can clone to your desktop or download it as a zip file and then extract on your computer. And then you'll need to go to the extensions page. This is, you can just go to this URL, or you can go using the menu items, more tools, and then extensions. Okay, and then enable developer mode and load unpacked. Okay, here you need to choose the directory that you have downloaded. I already have the actual folder selected, so I'll just click on select. Okay, so it's installed, and that's all you need to do. And then now when you mm, browse Facebook from this browser, you won't see the care react anymore. If you still being able to see the care react, you may need to clear cache or just restart the browser. Okay, I hope you enjoy the extension. Thank you.